Hi and welcome. This is a demonstration of the Non-Conformance Management System developed by AST Support System. This system is designed to streamline and digitize the end-to-end process of identifying, analyzing, and resolving non-conformances within your organization. Let's get started with the dashboard. The dashboard provides a real-time and fully customizable summary of all NC records and their statuses. You can quickly view total number of NCs, open NCs, close and recurring NCs. In addition, you can monitor monthly NC trends. NCs categorized by source based on their origin. Internal, within the organization. External, from the field or customer side. Supplier related. Customer raised complaints. Pareto analysis for root causes. Visualize the 80-20th rule applied to root causes. Identify the most frequent issues across each department or operation. Root cause and action tracking, list view. A detailed table view helps track NC status, assigned owners, pending versus completed actions, root cause and effectiveness of corrective action. These insights help your team prioritize problem solving, prevent recurrence, and drive continuous improvement. Now let's move to the NC main page, where a new NC record is created. Here, the system automatically generates a unique NC number, and you can enter project details, customer name, detection date, concerned department. This forms the header section of your NC entry. In the next section, you'll capture non-conformance information, including machine name, operator or responsible person, shift, severity level of the NC, estimated cost of non-conformance, quantity affected. Following this, you'll specify cause type, type of NC and category and subcategory. Based on the nature of the NC, you can select from 4 disposition types: rework, repair, use as it is, scrap. Each disposition type captures different sets of required information. Once the disposition decision is made, clicking the Evaluate button sends the NC to the CFT for approval before proceeding to the next stage. From here, you can click Apply CAPA to trigger a formal corrective and preventive action. A pop-up appears where you fill customer details: name, mobile, email, complaint category internal-external, assigned to, complaint description, attachments, if any. Clicking Send creates a formal complaint in the CAPA module. The CAPA process includes a detailed and structured approach for addressing the NC. Problem statement, containment sheet, quality alert, Ishikawa, fishbone analysis, 5 whys analysis, root cause identification, corrective and preventive action plans. Once the CAPA complaint is resolved and closed, the linked NC is marked as closed, ensuring seamless traceability. Beyond ERP integration, this NC management system offers several value-added features: complete traceability of non-conformances, automated workflows for approval and CAPA linkage, structured root cause analysis and reporting, integrated dashboards and analytics, powerful audit and notification engine, seamless interface with CAPA and ERP systems. Real-time visibility into NC progress enables faster decisions and proactive quality control. These features make the system not just a record keeper but a real-time decision-enabling platform. Thank you for watching this demonstration. To explore more or to request a live demo, please feel free to get in touch with us.